Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a luxury gift guide for you. So the holidays are right around the corner and I know a lot of us have started to think about what we're gonna give our loved ones this year. So I wanted to come on here and give you some ideas. So I have 5 luxury gifts that are all under $500 and I really love all of these items and I really think that you'll enjoy them as well. So I'm super excited to share them with you. But I really would like to apologize for the lighting. I know it's very dark. It's nighttime here, but I wasn't sure when I was gonna get a chance to film this video. So I just wanted to come on here, make the video very quickly for you, and I hope you enjoy it. But if you're new to my channel, my name is Anne and I make weekly fashion and lifestyle videos, and I'd love for you to subscribe down below. And guys, I just wanted to thank you all. I've had such an amazing time making these videos for you all so far. And if you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up. It would just really make my day. Okay, that being said, let's get into the video. Okay, so my first gift idea for you is a luxury passport holder. And so this is mine from Louis Vuitton. And I absolutely love this. So I got mine a few years ago. This was the limited edition holiday print at the time. I know that they're doing a different one now, and I think it's also very cute. I think there's one with Paris, and there might be another one, but they're very cute. And these are just great presents. I really do think so. A lot of times people don't have a passport holder already, so I think that this is a safe present to give. Most people won't have it, and they're just so much fun. I really love mine, and every time I travel, I get excited to use it. So Louis Vuitton's passport holder without the screen print limited edition retails in the United States for $335, which I think is a great price. Now the limited edition print is a little bit more expensive, but it's still a good price. And guys, I seriously love this thing. It's so adorable. So when you open it up, you have 4 card slots right here. You have a slip pocket here that you can put another card in, and then you have 2 pockets here where you can slide your passport in. So you can slide it in either one of these, or you can keep it open in between. And I just love this, guys. It makes me smile every single time I travel, and I know whoever you give this to will be super excited as well. And guys, I'm gonna be doing a separate Louis Vuitton gift guide because there's just so many great Louis Vuitton items under $500, and I really think Louis Vuitton deserves its own gift guide. So I'm gonna be filming that, and it'll be out sometime next week, so check back in for that if you're interested. So my next holiday gift idea for you is a scarf, and this one is from Burberry. And I absolutely love this scarf, guys. I've had this scarf for I think 5 or 6 years, and I love it because it gives you the classic Burberry print here, and it's a material that is a little bit more unusual. It is a gauzy-like material, so it's not a wool or cashmere material, which I love because I'm able to wear it year-round. Now, I have other Burberry scarves that I also love that are cashmere, and they are great as well. But this one has probably been my favorite that I've owned, and that is because I'm able to wear it in the spring, in the summer, and in the fall. Because it's light enough that you can kind of just drape it on yourself and wear it as an accessory, and it's not going to feel too hot when you're wearing it in the spring or the summer. But it's also long, guys. It's a very long scarf, so you're able to wrap it around many times in the winter, and it definitely keeps out the cold. So for me, this scarf is amazing because you really do get the cost per wear down since you're able to wear it year round. And I think that the price on this scarf is amazing. Burberry scarves usually run well over $500, and this retails for $390, guys. And I have just loved this scarf so much and worn it to death. It's such a beautiful classic Burberry print. It goes with so many things since it's so neutral, and I just love it. And I'm pretty sure it might be on sale for Black Friday, guys. It's gone on sale, I think, every year that I've seen, so I would keep an eye out for it this year. Okay, so my next gift suggestion is a card holder, and it is from Saint Laurent or YSL. And guys, I love this card holder. This was probably my very first card holder, I believe, that I ever purchased. And that was because, honestly, the price on this was so good, and it still is, guys. The price on this is $275, which I think is an amazing price for a luxury card holder. The pebble leather on this is amazing, and if you watch any of my other videos, you know how I feel about Saint Laurent's leather, guys. I just think that it's amazing. It's so durable. I've had this for many years now, and it looks brand new, guys. It really does. You can really get anything on this material and just wipe it clean. It comes in so many different colors. So this is the classic black chevron with the gold hardware. It comes in red, it comes in pink, it comes in blue, and there's always more colors that are seasonal that they come out with. And I just love this card holder so, so much. It has 2 card slots here on the front and 2 card slots here on the back, or vice versa. And there is a slip pocket here so you can put other cards and cash inside. But it is just one of my favorite card holders. And guys, this card holder really did kind of make me fall in love with Saint Laurent's leather and kind of pushed me over the top to buy a few more Saint Laurent pieces. So now I have a few handbags made out of the same leather, and I definitely have not regretted it. So this retails in the United States for $275, which is amazing. And I don't think you could go wrong with this. There's so many color options. I think you could find something for anybody, and I just love it. Okay guys, my next luxury gift idea is a handbag, and this is my Polene Numero Uno mini bag. And I got this in Paris recently when I was shopping with my mom, and I absolutely love this bag, guys. This bag has such an amazing price point to it. It's $350 and you're getting a full leather bag, guys. And the quality on this is fantastic. It's funny because I was actually out recently and somebody stopped me and told me they loved my handbag, and they asked me where I got it from. And I told them I had recently purchased it at a boutique in Paris, and their immediate reaction, before I even could tell them that they could buy it online, their immediate reaction was, oh, of course, Paris, they don't make things like that here. But even though you can't buy this in any stores here in the United States, you can buy it online. They do ship to the United States, and I just love this bag, guys. I think that this brand is just one of those brands that's just gonna shoot up and just keep going. It is just such high quality. It's a beautiful bag. It has this beautiful pebbled leather here and then this contrasting smooth leather here. Now there's so many different color combinations for this bag. They also come with mixed suede materials, which is also beautiful. It has a nice pocket here on the back, and then you open it up here with just this clasp. You just pull it down here, snaps open, and it is just beautiful. And it has this great, beautiful gold hardware, and it's kind of like a brushed gold, which is a beautiful contrast, I think, to this camel color. But again, this comes in black, it comes in gray, it comes in burgundy. There's so many color options for this, and it comes in a few different sizes. This is the mini size, which I think is adorable. You can wear it crossbody over one shoulder, and then there's a few other larger sizes. But I have just been loving this bag. I think it's perfect for fall right now, the color combination. I just love it. And then inside here, it has these snaps here, so you can unsnap them, and it kind of just expands the bag. And you can wear it like that as well and just close it on up. But I usually keep them snapped. But this bag has just, it's been incredible so far. And guys, I really don't have any concerns recommending this bag to anyone. I do think that it's right up there in quality with all of my other luxury handbags that I have, and I have just been loving it so far. Okay guys, my last gift idea is a Chanel piece. We can't have a luxury gift guide without Chanel. And guys, when I think Chanel, I always think thousands and thousands of dollars because Chanel's prices are ridiculous. So sometimes I often forget that there are some pieces that are a little bit more reasonably priced. And when I say reasonably priced, I still mean insane, but reasonably priced for Chanel, if that makes any sense. So this card holder I have absolutely loved, guys. It has a beautiful caviar leather, but you can get it, of course, in lambskin as well. It just has the little CCs, and these are gold, but of course there's other variations. It comes in silver, but mine just has 2 card slots here on the back, 1 card slot here on the front, and then a slip pocket here where you can put other cards and cash. And one thing that I've loved about this card holder is it's been extremely user-friendly from the very beginning. It hasn't been stiff at all. I've really been able to get cards and cash in and out super easily from the beginning. A lot of times, card holders, you really have to wear them in. You have to let them stretch out a little bit before they become easy to use, but this one has been fantastic from the beginning. And Chanel does card holders in this style all the time, and there are always different seasonal colors and different variations of this card holder. This retails in the United States for around $425. Of course, it will change a little bit depending on the type of leather, the seasonal color, and if it's a boy style or a classic style, but for the most part, most of them retail around $425, which I think is actually a really good price point for Chanel. I know it's still insane, but for Chanel, it's a lot better than what I would normally think of. And I think that this is a great gift idea, guys. I mean, who doesn't love Chanel? It's a card holder. It's something somebody can use every single day. Super practical, but also very, very luxurious. Okay guys, that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said before, I'm going to be doing a gift guide dedicated just to Louis Vuitton, and that'll be coming up sometime next week, so keep an eye out for it. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below if you have any other great gift ideas under $500. I'd love to know. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.